Bucuti and Tata Beach Resort is one of the few resorts on the island privately owned. The property has achieved many awards, mostly regarding environmental conservation and for their sustainability standards. The owner and general manager explains the process in getting the green program in place, as well as what their future plans are with regards to sustainability. Bucuti and Tata Beach Resort's green initiatives started back in the 1980s with environmental conservation. Once that was accomplished, they were then Green Globe certified, Earth checked, and now the property is on the way to attaining the LEED certification, which is the ultimate accomplishment in sustainability standards for hotels. This all started just by listening to the tourists.
It actually started partially with our customers who demanded that we are more environmentally conscious. They hated the fact that we were using plastic, and this goes back many, many years. So the first thing we did is cut out plastics, and then we started when the prices of oil started to increase. Rather than increasing our rates to compensate for the losses, we started to implement safeguards to save as much energy as possible. And from one thing, it evolved into the next thing, and eventually we had a whole green program together and then became certified. And I tell you, it really helps also with our customers. Our customers seek us out sometimes because of the environmental safeguards that we have in place, because they feel that their footprint that they leave when they go on vacation is much less than if they would stay at a hotel that doesn't care.
In order to be successful in transitioning a property into a sustainable development, the employees must be on board. Bucuti and Tata have both the staff as well the guests to do their part.
It starts with the employees who physically and actively contribute to the environmental cause. It comes from the customer side who actively help us. For instance, we go out once a month, we clean up our mile of beach. We have a number of safeguards in the hotel that make sure that we absolutely minimize the amount of trash that we send to the public dump. And of course, it generates a lot of goodwill among the public and future guests even. They pick us off the internet because of our environmental program.
The boutique hotel has achieved many accomplishments already, but it doesn't stop here. Currently, the property is looking towards continuing investments and supporting the government's 2020 sustainability vision.
We continuously try to improve on what we're doing by selecting the newest in equipment. We, at the moment, are very heavily supporting the government effort for green energy. In other words, we have not installed any of the technology ourselves here because we feel that by supporting the web and the Elmar and other generating facilities, that we support them rather than doing it on our own, and then later on they having a problem in having obsolete equipment that they cannot afford to have. So we try to assist in that sense as well. So rather than individually do it as a group and do it as an island.
On the next show, we'll discuss how becoming sustainable actually drives up occupancy as well as profit.